The Pikes Peak Association of Realtors has always worked hard to have a strong presence in our community.
Realtors not only work in our local neighborhoods, but they also live and play here, so they understand that a good quality of life contributes to a strong community.
PPAR knows that our members do a lot to make our community a better place to live.
That's why we are proud to announce the first annual PPAR Good Neighbor Award.
This award is to recognize a local PPAR Realtor who is making a difference by an extraordinary commitment through our volunteer service in our community.
The winner of this award will be announced at the PPAR Installation Celebration in October, and a $500 grant will be given to their 501c3 charity.
The application for nomination is online, and the link is below in the description.
You can nominate yourself or a fellow realtor.
The deadline for application is Friday, September 6th.
What you do matters. Get recognition for the work you do to make our community a better place.